Welcome to a world of absolute luxury. Today we take you inside a $500 million ultra-luxury mansion, a masterpiece of opulence that redefines extravagance. Imagine soaring golden staircases, grand crystal chandeliers, and a breathtaking infinity pool wrapping around this architectural wonder. Every room is a statement of power and prestige, from the Royal Master Suite to a private cinema, a luxury car showroom, and a dreamlike spa. This is not just a mansion, it's a modern palace beyond imagination. Stay until the end to witness every jaw-dropping detail of this once-in-a-lifetime masterpiece. If you love luxury, there's so much more waiting for you. Subscribe now to Residence High Luxe and explore the world's most extravagant mansions. Don't miss our next breathtaking tour. Your dream home might be just one video away.